Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to promote Google Sites on Pinterest. So first things first, you have to simply open your Google site, create a Google site right here, and then go to Amazon, let's just say Amazon or ClickBank, be part of the affiliate marketing program, sign up here, and then meet the requirements. Now you can share or promote their products and earn the commission. So you can create an account on Amazon or ClickBank. Everything is up to you. Once you have created an account, meet the requirement, and once they have accepted your profile, then you can now go to Amazon and then select that specific product that you want to promote. Once you have your account already on Amazon affiliate, they will give you or they will let you generate a code right here where you can share the code. So you will see a generate code above where you can tap that one, copy that code, and then paste it anywhere. So all you have to do here is to save this products, the shoes, and then after that, you need to upload the shoes to your Google site or Google website. Once done, tap on publish, add your website if you have. Then once done, then what you're going to do is you have to open your Pinterest. Make sure that you have convert your Pinterest to business. This is what it looks like. Now you can create a board right here and add pins. So let me add a board. So bare root shoes, something like that. If you have your collaborators, then you can add them right here. Then once you're done, then tap on create board. Once you have your board, then you can now start adding pins or images. So, for example, you're going to promote your shoes or the shoes that you have uploaded from Amazon and share to your Google site. So upload the image here, write the title, add the title or the name of the product, and then here you need to add the description of your product below. And then on the link, what you're going to do is you have to paste here your Google site once you publish. You have to get or you have to copy the URL or your Google site URL and paste it right here. Now you need to include also that you are associated or you are an affiliate marketer. You need to include it right here. After that, you can add tags and then you can post or publish this one. So this is the easiest way to promote Google Sites on Pinterest. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.